Today we are going to present the Welase, the easiest laser machine in the market. After years of research, we believe that our experience will make this laser used by everyone, will mark everything and will be used everywhere. The casing, it is a Class 1 casing that will prevent yourself from the laser beam. We have two different modes to set up the focal distance. One, it's fully automatic. The Z-axis is going to move automatically. The height is pre-programmed in the marking file, and depending on your part, it will go directly at the right distance. If you need to mark parts with different height, just activate the manual mode. Simply use the up and down button to join the 3 points together. When it's done, you're ready to mark. Just use the ABC software to create your marking file in 3 steps. A, you are going to define your marking area. B, you are going to create your content. It can be text, logo, and graphic elements. C, the laser parameter. You choose your preset in the library, depending on the material. Then you can activate the laser preview and launch your marking. With the Welase, no need to be an expert. This laser is made for beginner. This is a plug-and-play laser. So no more settings, no more cabling, no more installation. Just power on the machine and start the experience.